Technology innovation is happening at a breakneck pace. What is the bandwidth of the transportation industry to digest all of this innovation? That's a great question. There's a lot going on. How are we going to...
Well, I think in terms of the 3PL side of it, so when we talk about domestic transportation managers and freight brokers, they're currently looking at all of the innovation, all the tech solutions very hard, at least more of the forward-thinking ones. So I think it's happening. I really think it's happening. You got applications out there like HubTran to help automate freight bill payment, POD handling. You got the traditional TMS providers that are looking at ways to innovate. And then you have other applications like on the AI side with like Parade AI and some of these other companies that are really going to be integrations within traditional transportation management systems. And then you also have the visibility providers, right? So you have Macro Points of the world, you have Project 44. I mean, there are all these solutions that are being developed to really improve operations, improve the way data is handling, take out some of the gaps in the data, and really move things forward. So I think it's happening now. I don't think anybody's sitting around waiting. We talk about declining margins, say, in domestic transportation management. So in our numbers, we're somewhere around 15% gross margin. I know in Bob's report they're a little lower. Anyway, but as gross margins decline, which is going to happen in a competitive environment, what we're seeing is a lot of back office solutions, around things like freight bill payment, handling PODs, trying to automate a lot of processes. The data entry clerk is going away, right? There's still a lot of data entry out there. Well, a lot of it is going to be done by machine learning, by AI. So on the back end, you might actually have better EBITDA margins on lower gross margins just because of so much automation within these processes.
Where because technology can do so much, there's a tremendous opportunity for specialization. It doesn't matter what your business is. If you specialize in X, Y, or Z, there's a technological solution to whatever problem you may have.
Yeah, I mean, we're getting to the point now where I'm working with an artificial intelligence company that can actually bring emails in from different, from carriers that give carrier capacity. They bring emails in from shippers. The AI can actually read the information in the email, deposit it in the TMS, and what they're doing now is they're looking at matching the loads to the carriers, and they really have about a 75% success rate. So, even on the traditional freight brokerage, domestic transportation management side, we're seeing technology like that.